Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Popsicle Ninja Stars, full guide. Start by gathering 8 popsicle sticks, clear craft glue, clamps, sandpaper, and a cutting mat. Cut and notch sticks carefully to form interlocking layers, then glue them in the star pattern and clamp until fully set. Sand edges for a smooth, safe finish and test balance gently before play, keeping kids supervised during assembly for safety. Collect materials first to make the process efficient and fun. Sturdy double-stick popsicle sticks, non-toxic craft glue, sandpaper, a sharp blade, clamps, and a ruler. Measure and mark each stick at precise intervals to ensure symmetry, then cut notches where pieces will interlock. Dry fit pieces before gluing to confirm alignment and work patiently in thin glue layers to avoid warping. Safety first. Cut on a mat and wear protective gloves if needed. Begin assembly by notching and creating 2 identical halves, each made from interlocked pairs of sticks. Test fit without glue first. Apply thin glue lines to contact points, press halves together, and clamp flat for 60 to 90 minutes to ensure a strong bond. Once dry, gently sand seams and edges, check the star for balance, and trim any excess for a smooth, safe play surface. Finish with a light coat of sealant if desired.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.